Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed whatever time we end up spending together. If you do not subscribe, I will make sure that your coffee place gets your coffee wrong. And then I'll be there and the person behind you laughing at you because you got it wrong. But anyways, today we're going to be playing with the Beauty Below palette here from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here. So if you want to join me for a little really hectic makeup time, then let's get into it. On a journey, my friends, because originally I was going to play with the Murky Meadows palette here from Unearthly. It looks like this. This was my original plan, and then I realized this isn't speaking to me anymore. I ranked it highly in a bunch of things, but it's like it's not speaking to me anymore. We don't speak the same language. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to do that, but maybe I could pair it with the Shadow Sculpt palette here from Unearthly, which looks like this. And I was like, yeah, okay. But then I was like, this palette just is like, we're not jiving, so I need to get rid of it. And so I was like, okay, whatever, I'll play it with this one. And then I was like, well, I want to play with that. And then I was like, well, all those greens just aren't going to work with what I have in mind. So I was like, okay, well, that's not going to be used. So eventually, I decided on Beauty Below here from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I used this one a bunch at the beginning of the year, and I haven't touched it. I created one of my most favorite looks with this one, which I will insert a picture right here. I love that one, so I thought, fuck it, let's take this out. I don't know what I'm going to do. I know that I did like a purple one. I know that I used that Irresistible blue shade right there before, and that was a lot. But that purple one right there, Immerse, is really speaking to me, so that's what I'm going to do. I have a black shirt that looks just like this, so I'm going to pop that on, so don't think I'm weird for changing shirts. But I'm going to prime my eyes, or I have primed my eyes with some Ariane Beauty Sweetener Concealer and Fair Twin, and I'm setting it with some Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish Translucent Powder. This is going to be a hectic one. Let's do this thing. Also, while I'm like figuring all my shit out, my card got used somewhere else this week, so I had to get a new one. I finished 2 books at least. I was supposed to be doing a training today, and then that just, I don't know. But yeah, we're going to be playing with this bad bitch here today. I'm so excited. Like I said, I really want to use that Immerse shade. That Deadly Fate one is really kind of speaking to me too. I'm like, what do I want to pair her with? The Abyss shade's hot. Yeah, I don't know. What would look good with her? It's such a beautiful, beautiful palette though. I love it. I haven't used it enough for my liking. But yeah, this is what we're going to do today. I'm going to figure something out of what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to we're going to be one for a second. But I do have this drink from Scooters. It is a maple chai. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, so I think my game plan is I'm gonna stay on this side. Right here is really, really jiving with me. And maybe some of like the purples up here too, but like that's kind of my gist of it, to be quite perfectly honest with you. So I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna go in with this, I think I'm going to start by going in with that Watery Grave shade right there. I'm going to bring that into the crease. I've been having this really big issue today with my hands just shaking. So we will see how this goes. But yeah, I'm taking that Watery Grave shade here into the crease in a very, very messy way on my Refer 01 here. Why this brush? I don't know. Because why not? Yeah, just taking it into right here. You know what? We're gonna do a halo eye because that's what Nikki's feeling. So taking it right here, bringing it up here, bringing it in here. I gotta see if I have a work shirt that'll match this. I don't think I do. We'll see. I have a pink one. Anything will work. But yeah, just taking it into here and blending this out. Oh, it's such a pretty color. But I'm so freaking hectic, you guys. I got super sick this week. Like literally like an immobilizing migraine. And then I was perfectly fine the next day where I was like, well, what the hell? I was going, and that was the day that I was supposed to take my acuplacer for college. So I didn't end up doing that. I rescheduled that for this coming week before I leave for my trip. Which if Heather's watching this, hi bitch, I'm coming to see you. But it's been a week. And I'm frustrated. Work is pissing me off. Are we surprised about that? No. No, we're not. We are just taking it like this. I am loving how this is looking. I look like a raccoon. But like the most slay raccoon of all the raccoons that all the raccoon girlies are jealous of because their men raccoons are looking at me. You know? I run that joint. I do really like the color though. That's such a gorgeous color. We're not going to keep using that brush though because every time that I've chosen to use a really big brush, it just ends up kind of being a disaster. So we're just going to stop there. I do kind of want to go in. No, I don't have, there's not like a really like cool tone purple other than that like shade that we just used, but I was going to bring that into there. So I think we are just going to go in with that Abyss shade right there. Taking that on my Refer 26, we're just going to put a little bit in to begin with just to kind of get placement, and then I'll go in and blend in a minute, but just plopping it in here. Also, where I live, all the main lights, they're like, I don't know what the hell they're doing, okay? That's a question I ask in this town daily, no matter what, if they're doing stuff or anyway, nothing because they're idiots. But like the main light in town is now turned into a four-way stop, and it is a mess. It is a mess. People are idiots. This is a town of a bunch of old people that do shit on their own, like they shouldn't be doing, and they have a bunch of egos, so they think that they have the right of way even though they don't. And so it's a mess, and I hate it. I hate driving. And then the other lights are at four-way stops right now, and people are just running through them. I'm just like, no. But I'm gonna go in with that Refer 01 to blend these two together here. I'm like, get me the hell out of here. But the other night I saw the Northern Lights. I can pop a picture in here. It was so pretty. We never get anything in this town ever. So it was really cool to get that. Whoa. It's a mess. I'm really liking these two shades together here though. But they're all in like little quads so that you know that they're going to go good anyways. So it's gonna be so much for work. I love it. I don't care. Y'all, there's a black shade, so you know I have to use it. That Take Heed shade, we're gonna go with just a little bit of that on that same Refer 26. If you've been here, you know I'm going to use it. So just plopping a little bit of that in here because you know that I am addicted to putting black eyeshadow in looks. Deandra Nicole, I'll link her below. I use a lot of her pictures in my thumbnails because she's just an incredible talented artist of taking pictures and just like all that. Like she's just amazing. Bringing a little bit of that up here. I saw her the other day put something up in her story of like how she doesn't use black. She tries to use like the darker shades like as depth, and I'm like, I can never do that. Like I try, but at the same point I'm like, I need a black, you know. I'm going back in with that Refer 01 to blend this black in here. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm really liking it. Is this gonna be a little bit too much for work? I don't care. I'm pretty much freaking leaving anyways, right? Okay, I'm going to go in with some of this Unearthly Cosmetics Glimmer Glass. We're gonna plop that shit in there, and then we're gonna figure out a shit. It went flying, so that's wonderful. But I applied some of that stuff in there. Like that one is just, I I love that one so much. This Her Prey would look bomb. That one would look cool. That one I think is a little bit too dark, but it is definitely a vibe. That Carnivorous. That one would look good too. Okay, so I think we're gonna use Lull and Slay and then Immerse there, like those two purples. And I'm very tempted to use Carnivorous too, but we'll see. I might just bring this one with and like we'll do multiple looks, right? So I think I'm going to go in just to start with without Immerse, just to see what it looks like. And if I need to use something else, then I'll do that. I'm gonna use my Refer 21. I'm like jumping off the walls right now. Why? I don't know. Taking that and just stamping that in here. Oof. I really like that, but I also need it to be like just a tad bit of something else, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? I feel like it does. In my head, it does. But it's so pretty. Okay, what do I need to plop on top of that to like make it? No. I might plop a little bit of that Her Prey on top. Why not? Again, still Refer 21. Just very lightly. Like, I do like that a little bit more. Like, that Immerse shade is so gorgeous. But just plopping just a tad bit more of that on. Like so. But then we're going to add something insane in here. So I think we might end up going in with that Carnivorous shade. But I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of that pulled under shade. Still Refer 21 because I'm addicted to this brush. And just bringing that out here a little bit. We got where we needed to be. This is fun. I love it. Oh, you guys, this is so gorgeous. I love it so much. Okay, I am going to figure out some sort of liner to plop in here, and I'm going to end up like probably maybe putting gems up here because I've been really addicted to that lately. So it's either these ones from Devaroon Cosmetics, or these ones that I found at Walmart that came with Halloween lashes. So it's gonna be one of those two. I'm gonna plop some liner in here, which I don't know what I'm going to be yet, and then I am gonna do my face. So I will come back for all those details because y'all know how this goes, and I'm frazzled. So okay, I did a bunch. I went in with like 3 different liners. They're just like a white, a pink, and a blue one, because why not? It just ended up being a mess, but it all kind of worked out. Blush, I went in with the Juicy Cheek one from Blend Bunny, and I went in with that shade right there called Raw. Highlight, I went in with these 2. This is from Devaroon, and this is from Glamlight. This is the Dewdrops. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, shadow and highlight palette. And I went in with that shade right there called Drop. It's super gorgeous. And then I went in with this Glamlight Friday the 13th one because, yeah, so here is the highlight. It's pretty bomb. I like it a lot. Oh, I did do a couple of things on the eyeballs. This lash is not having a good lash day, so just ignore it. I went in with a little bit of Irresistible and Lull and Slay on my finger, and I just kind of patted it on top. However, I do think that I'm going to go in with something else, just a little bit more, because I think it needs a little bit more. So I'm going to go in, I think, with that Tempt shade right there. And I'm going to take that on my Refer 14 and just kind of deepen this out a little bit, but also warm it up in a sense. Yeah. Yeah, this is what it needed. This is what it needed. Okay, so once I have that done in there, I feel like it did what it needed to do. Again, this lash is just, it's doing something and I'm not very happy with it, so we're just going to ignore it. It doesn't exist to us. Let's do this under eye. Even though I have not done my brows, but I kind of haven't been doing my brows. Kind of just letting them be. Let's figure it out. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with my Refer 03 here, and we're going to go in with that watery grave shade right there, and plopping that in the under eye area right here. So just the whole way. Like that, yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're switching over to my Refer 23 now, and I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Abyss shade right there. And then bringing that on the outer edge right here. And right here. Y'all, that's so bomb. And then I think going in with just a little bit of tint just to bring that essential warmness into it and bring that right out here. Yeah, this temp shade, oh, 100% was the move. Like, that's so bomb. That's so bomb. Okay, I do think I'm going to bring a little bit of a shimmer in there, and I think I'm just going to make it that Immerse shade because why not? So just right in that little space right there. That's so bomb. Now I'm trying to decide, do I want to bring something into the inner corner or not? I think I might. I know me. I'm going to anyways. So we're going to go in with a little bit of that Lull and Slay just because I think it'd be a nice little highlight in the inner corner. And I'm going to go in with my Refer 03 now. But just a little... Yeah. Like, it's not like a bunch. It really blends in. But it's also just a little something. Oh, that is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to go pop some mascara on and I'm gonna figure out a lip, so give me a second. For lip, I went in with this really old NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm, and then I went over it with this ColourPop Buzz Lightyear Buzzing Around little, what is this? Like a gloss? Ultra glossy lip. I think it's totally pretty. I love it so much. I really like how this look turned out. It's so totally not what I plan on doing today. I plan on doing like neutrals with a pop of color, and this is completely the opposite of that, but I really do like it. So here's a little up close look at the look. I really like it. I think it turned out super pretty. I really do like it. Yay. I am kind of feeling off, so there's that. So I'm going to just end this really quick. I love how this turned out. I love this palette. Y'all know that. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Like I said, I'm really going to cut it short because I'm feeling toasty and off. But I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I hope that you're remembering to take care of yourself. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.